Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. So today I'm bringing you the May Petit Vour box, and I will be doing an unboxing and also a first impression of the products in this box. Petit Vour is a cruelty-free and vegan clean beauty box, and the cost of the box is $18, and you get a variety of different hair care, skincare, body care, makeup products in the box. And I am an affiliate for Petit Vour. I am sent the box for free, but you guys always know that I give you my honest opinion. I tell you what I like and what I don't like in the box. And if you want to sign up for the box, I do have a discount code of NBG25, and it gives you 25% off your first box if you do a 3-month subscription. If you choose to shop in the Petit Vour shop and use my links, they are affiliate links, which means I earn a small commission, but that does not add any additional cost to you guys, and it helps support Naturally Beautiful Girl, which allows me to try out more products for you guys. And you guys know I love testing out and reviewing new products, so by supporting me, you help me keep doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and just jump right into this month's box. And I have to say, it is a good box this month. The last few boxes hadn't been my favorites, but this one I opened it up and was like, wow. And the first product is the one that really blew me away, and I'm sitting completely barefaced because I actually want to show you the application of a skincare product. And this is the Osya Atmosphere Protection Cream. And I've tried out a number of different products from Osya. I've tried out their Ocean Cleanser, the Blemish Balm, the Sea Minerals Mist, the Essential Hydrating Oil, and the Undaria Body Polish. And I've liked a lot of the products I've tried from Osya. And I'd seen this one and I was very interested in it when it first came out. This is a facial moisturizer, but I was concerned it would be too heavy for my oily skin. So I was really happy to get this in the box because now I have a chance to try it. And I have tried it out a couple times, and I wanted to show you me applying it because I was surprised by how lightweight it was and how easily it sunk into my skin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this first. I have it applied. As you can see, it just absorbed right into my skin nicely. I've used this at night and in the morning. It works really well under makeup, which is great for someone like me with oily, acne-prone skin. I think it's a perfect moisturizer for moving into spring and summer because it is more lightweight. We don't need as intense of moisturizers as we do during the winter, so getting this in the May Petit Vour box makes perfect sense. And here's the best part about this, or one of the best parts about it, is it is valued at $48. And I believe this is a sample size, but it's huge. It's 2 fluid ounces, which is a substantial amount of this product. And honestly, it's gonna take me a long time to get all the way through this. It has the beautiful Osya scent, which I describe as kind of being an oceany fresh scent. It's not floral, it's not sweet, it's just a very nice fresh scent, and I really like Osya's scents. I think it's a nice break from the traditional skincare scents. And yeah, I'm super happy to have this. I already am loving it. I think it's just a really great product, and I was pleasantly surprised by how lightweight and how easily it sunk into my skin. So this one I'm already in love with. The next product is actually one that I have tried before, and I was really excited to get it again because I liked it, and I've actually been thinking about purchasing the full size of this product for summer. And this is the Suntegrity Impeccable Skin Moisturizing Face Sunscreen. This is a sample of it. I got the shade Ivory, which is the lightest shade of this product. It is a tinted facial sunscreen, and it is broad spectrum SPF 30. What I like about the Suntegrity Impeccable Skin is it's a little bit more matte than their 5-in-1 facial sunscreen, which for my oily skin just works better for me. So that's why I was thinking about picking it up this summer, because it's a really nice product. You can use it on its own if you're, for instance, going to the beach, or you can also layer it under makeup, which I often do as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you me applying this so you can see how it looks. It is a good shade match for me. It's not too deep, which is great. So if you have fair skin, the shade Ivory does work very well, but it doesn't provide a lot of coverage. I feel like the tint in this product more is to help prevent a white cast rather than actually cover. So personally, this is not the type of product that I would wear on its own. I like having a little bit more coverage in my makeup products. Though, knock on wood, my skin has been doing really well since I've been using the Juice Beauty Blemish Clearing Serum, and as you can see, my face looks really clear, which, considering where I'm at in my cycle, is very impressive at the moment. At least right now, don't feel comfortable wearing this product on its own, but when I do wear it under makeup, it does wear very well. It doesn't break apart on me, nothing like that happens, so I am really happy with it, and like I said, I very well may be purchasing a full size of this for the summer, so I'm glad to be able to test this out again. The value of this sample size is $7. Before I talk about the rest of the products in the box, I'm going to jump off camera, finish up my makeup, and I will be back in just a couple, well, for you it'll be a few seconds, but for me it'll be a couple of minutes. Now I'm looking a little bit more done up. I applied the Perez Oatmilk foundation on top of the moisturizer and the Suntegrity Impeccable Skin, and it went on very well. I like how everything looks. It's not overly dewy or glowy, I look fresh faced. Everything worked well. The next product we got in the May Petit Vour box is this Be Kind Sensitive Skin Face Scrub, and it has a value of $9. And I did try this out last night. The one caveat I do have to say with this is that it does contain hibiscus, which I was kind of surprised that this had hibiscus in it. Hibiscus is beautiful. It can be really great for your skin. I love hibiscus tea. Oh my gosh, that's one of my favorite things. Hibiscus tea, I'm all about it. But the one problem with hibiscus is it can be staining, so I was a little bit concerned that this could stain my face. I didn't have that happen, but I also didn't leave it on that long. I tried to scrub and get it off and not let it sit, so I would just be careful if you have this product or are interested in trying it, just to not let it sit on your skin for too long, because I don't think anybody really wants their face stained pink. But I did like this. The granule size of the scrub is very small, which is kind of nice. It's different from like a sugar scrub where normally the granule sizes are larger. This was very, very fine, but it did a good job of exfoliating my face. The granule size reminded me more of using a clay mask and kind of exfoliating your face with that. So if you want something that's a little bit gentler in terms of exfoliation, I liked it. It was really nice, worked well. Yeah, I have nothing bad to say about it. I think the packaging is really cute. I don't know, it looks very high end, something I'd see in like Nordstrom or Barney's or something. It's just very fancy packaging, but I like it. So yeah, it worked well, didn't stain me. I'm happy. And then the final product in the May Petit Vour box is a foot cream, which is kind of funny. I've never put a cream on my foot before. I realized that when I went to test this out. The only time I've ever had a foot cream applied is while getting a pedicure, but I've never done it to myself. So this is a Theron intensive foot cream. It's supposed to nurture, hydrate, and refresh, and the value of this sample is $7. And I realized that this is an Israeli brand, and I remember Reagan talking about an Israeli like skincare, body care brand that she really liked, and now I'm wondering if it's the same one. Reagan, if you're watching this, let us know in the comments section down below. Was this the brand you were talking about? Because if it is, it's super exciting that it is accessible in the US now, and in general, Reagan, you might want to check this out. I just thought that was very interesting. I've not really seen a green beauty product from Israel before. It's something unusual. But I did go ahead and try this out last night, and I did really like it. It left my feet feeling very soft and very smooth. I put this on and then put a sock on over my feet just to kind of let the cream sit in. It didn't say to do that, but I just thought it'd be a good idea. And my feet were really soft when I applied it, and also in the morning as well, so it did work throughout the night. And it did sink in well, which is always something I like. I don't like products sitting on top of my skin, and even though this is a pretty intense moisturizing product, it's not one that your feet feel slippery when you put it on. So if you wanted to put this on during the day and walk around, I think you'd be fine to do that. I don't think you'd have to put it on just at night. I think that this is a really great product as we're moving into summer, because typically you wear more sandals during the summer. Unless you live in Florida, then you just wear sandals all year round, but it is really nice to kind of get your feet back in shape for sandals, because I don't know about you, but by the end of the winter, my feet are normally in a little bit beat up shape, wearing boots all winter, they get all dry. So I really did like this. It's an interesting product and it worked well for me. So overall, I was really happy with this month's box, especially with the Osya Atmosphere Protection Cream. That's a product I've been curious about for a long time. We got a very generous size of it and it's worth a lot of money. So I think that this box is definitely one of the best ones we've had in a while. If you do the math, the value of this box is $71. So yeah, my thought that this was a really good box is pretty true because we are getting some really high value from our box this month. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my review of the April Petit Vour box. And the first product I'm going to start off with is this one from Kaylee Cosmetics, and this is the brow pencil. I liked it except for the color. The color was just not the right shade for me. I have the one in brunette, but it does pull quite red on me. So I really wasn't able to use it again after the initial Petit Vour video just because the shade is not a good shade match for me. I should be trying out some more Kaylee Cosmetics products soon, so I'm excited about that. I like trying out more indie brands. That's one thing I have as a goal for myself for my channel, is really sharing a little bit more of indie, like clean beauty brands. So I'm excited to try out some more of the products. Like I said, my real complaint was just the shade was not a good shade match for me. So the next product we got in the April Petit Vour box was the Juice Beauty Antioxidant Serum. I've been trying this out. I also started using the Juice Beauty Blemish Clearing Serum, and out of the two, I much prefer the Blemish Clearing Serum because it's what my skin needs. I have acne prone skin, and that Blemish Clearing Serum has done some miracles for my skin. I try so many skincare products out, and I like a lot of them and they're nice. There are only a handful of products that I use and I'm like, wow, immediate difference in my skin after using, and that has been one of them. So this was good, and I think if you don't have acne prone skin or you're looking for something that's a little bit more anti-aging, I think this is good. I just didn't see as much of a dramatic difference in my skin using this as I do with the Blemish Clearing Serum. I've been really impressed by Juice Beauty skincare products. I would like to try more out. I like this. If you're looking for this type of product, it's good. It's just not as much what my skin needs. So I would recommend the Blemish Clearing Serum over this one just because of my personal skin needs. The one thing I do have to say about it though is that I have been using it in the morning because I like to use the Blemish Clearing Serum at night. And this one does tend to bunch up under my makeup on me, which is not great. So if you are interested in this, I would recommend using it at night rather than in the morning. Skincare products under makeup can in general be a little dicey, and so I wasn't entirely surprised that that happened with this, but it is something worth noting. We next up had the Air NYC Active Face Wash. This is not my favorite face wash. I prefer the Graydon Skincare Super Sensitive Face Foam or the Bristol and Sussex cleanser. If you want a foaming cleanser, I just like those better. They're not as active. They're just a milder cleanser. This one is a little bit, just a little too much for me. I will finish it out. I don't like the scent of it. That's one big thing for me with this cleanser. And I prefer the other two cleansers better. So it's okay, just not my favorite. It does do its job though, you know, washes my face, my skin's not irritated. It is a smidge more drying than those other two cleansers, and I think it's just because it has so many active clarifying ingredients in it, which is part of the reason why it's a little bit too much for me. And then the final product we got in last month's box is one that I really have fallen in love with, and this is the Soma Clay Renewal Treatment. This is a clay face mask and it comes pre-mixed. And I do really like this. I have been using this quite a bit since we got it last month, and I honestly would like to try out some more Soma products. This was my first ever Soma product, and I like it because it is a clarifying face mask, but it's not overly drying because it is a pre-mixed mask. I can leave it on. I don't have to worry about misting my face and keeping it super hydrated. I just leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, wash it off, and it is clarifying but not drying. So it is a good face mask in my book. I'm normally not the biggest clay face mask person, but this one passes CAT inspection. And yeah, I'd like to try out more Soma products. I definitely am interested in the brand now. I hope you enjoyed seeing my May Petit Vour unboxing and my review of the April Petit Vour box. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more non-toxic, cruelty-free beauty content. And check out my Instagram as well. I'm at Naturally Beautiful Girl. I have some more ideas for more kind of posting series on my Instagram. I think I've been wanting to do kind of curated posts on different days. And I've been doing skincare Saturdays, and I have some other ideas. So if you're curious about all that and that sounds interesting, go check out my Instagram. I'm at Naturally Beautiful Girl. Let us know in the comment section down below what you think of this month's box. If you got it, if you're interested in getting it, let us know all that in the comment section down below. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!